for you to be as successful as you want to be and for it to come as easy as it can possibly come, you have to create a mind shift, a mindset shift. You have to create a relationship with money. And that does, for some of us, mean tearing down our current relationship with money. And the very first thing that you need to know about money is that it is not at all. And I know that a lot of people are going to be like, ah, she's lost it. But the amount of money that you have has nothing to do with how hard you work. It has absolutely nothing to do. Look at you in my eyes. Your capacity to earn, your capacity